I smell apple pie.
Oh, I smell apple pie,
says Billy the Bear. He looks here, there, and everywhere. Billy the Bear loves apple pie. If he sees it, he just has to eat it. He sniffs by the oven. Though it is not there, Billy can smell apple pie. He sniffs by the counter. Though it is bare, Billy can smell apple pie. He sniffs on the table. There is a dish upside down, but no pie. Billy's mom is clever. She knows Billy loves apple pie.
Is the pie under that bowl, Mommy Bear?
Yes, it is still hot, and that is why.